Spare parts are instantly identified in the 3D model and can be ordered directly. All relevant documentation, from manuals to circuit diagrams, is available at any time. E-training is available anytime, online and interactive. Access learning materials whenever you need them. Remote service supports you in real time. Secure access via VPN with direct support through machine controls and camera systems. Train in a safe virtual environment before working on the real machine. Virtual commissioning reduces lead times, speeds up startup, and improves performance. Format changeovers are guided step by step. Fast, safe, and reliable, done right from the start. Machine data helps you identify potential early. This allows you to avoid downtime and continuously optimize your processes.